In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airbnb account. Whether you're planning a trip or thinking of becoming a host, getting your account set up is your first step into the world of Airbnb. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to www.airbnb.com. Once you arrive on the website, you'll notice a welcoming interface that could make you start dreaming about your next getaway or hosting opportunity. But before you get to that, we need to create your account. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page and you'll see the sign up button. Click on that and it will open a new window with several options for how you want to proceed with creating your account. Airbnb offers you multiple ways to sign up, which is all about convenience for you. You can choose to sign up using your email, your phone number, or even your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts, depending on what you find most comfortable. Let's say you opted for using an email. The next step requires you to fill out some basic information. You'll need to enter your full name just as it appears on your official documents. This helps Airbnb maintain a trustworthy network of users. After that, enter your birthday. Airbnb requires you to be at least 18 years old to create an account. Finally, select a secure password that you'll remember, one that's unique to keep your information safe. Once you've entered all this information, it's time for a crucial step: verification. Airbnb will need to verify either your email address or phone number, depending on what method you chose for signing up. If you opted for email, keep an eye on your inbox for a verification message. Find the email from Airbnb and simply click the verification link included. If you chose phone, you'll receive a text message with a code. Enter that code on the website to complete the verification process. After verifying your account, Airbnb will offer you the option to add a profile photo. This step is optional but highly recommended. A friendly profile photo adds a personal touch to your account, showing hosts or guests that you're a real person. It's a simple way to build trust and make your Airbnb experience more personable. And that's it. You are now the proud owner of a brand new Airbnb account. You're all set to start exploring unique places to stay or listing your own space for guests. Enjoy discovering all that Airbnb has to offer, whether you're traveling the world or welcoming guests into your home. Thanks for watching and happy Airbnb-ing.